Hi everyone, I'm Diana in the GIA library, and I'm here to show you something very special today. This is one of the rarest books in our collection, and it is called The Bishop Collection, Investigations and Studies in Jade. It was commissioned by a businessman named Heber Reginald Bishop to catalog his jade collection. Inside, you'll find mineralogical research on jade, cultural history, traditional Chinese carving techniques, and beautiful illustrations, including 13 original watercolors. Bishop made his fortune in the sugar industry and amassed a collection of more than 1,000 jade art objects and specimens. He commissioned this set to catalog his collection. Only 100 sets were ever produced, and the materials used to produce the books were destroyed after publication, so they could never be reproduced. The 100 sets were given to various heads of states, museums, and libraries. The set that GIA owns is set number 85, which was given to Bishop's hometown public library. We purchased the set at auction in 2021. This book is one of the rarest in our collection, but it is available to read for free on the library's Internet Archive page, where our dedicated librarians have digitized more than 1,200 rare and historical works from our collection.